Hey guys, welcome back to Bars Geeks. My name is Patrick. In case you're watching this video for the first time, welcome, and please like, subscribe, and after watching, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. In this video, I'm going to show you my analytics, what YouTube paid me in the first month after my channel was approved for monetization. So before you get into that, there are some basics you need to understand before you get into YouTube payment. You need to meet minimum requirement, and that is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once you meet those numbers, now you need to apply for monetization. Then you'll have to wait again for your channel to be reviewed, and this may take up to 1 month. My channel took less than 24 hours and I was approved into YouTube Partner Program. So once you get approved into YouTube Partner Program, it's your task to turn on ads on your videos. So when someone watch your videos, they'll be welcomed with an advert. You're going to make money from those ads. So when someone skips, you won't make money, right? So once now everything is okay with your channel, ads are running on your videos, now it's upon you now to work so hard to upload more videos on YouTube for you to make good money. My channel was approved in now I can say 2 months ago, and it was in March. That time I few videos, like I can say like 50 videos, right? I got 10,000 views. I got 10,000 views, and from 10,000 views, this is the money I made. It's $14, right? So $14 that you're seeing on your screen here is the money I made on my first in the first month after my channel was approved. And just take it as a motivation, and if you're a content creator, just keep on pushing and keep on producing content. One day, one time, things will be well, and you're gonna make good money on YouTube. So that's all I can share with you for today, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you found it useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.